Cycling is awesome for people and for the planet. But riding can be stressful. Finding your way can be tricky. Riding on unsafe, busy roads is horrible. And not knowing the key info you need when you need it leaves you feeling in the dark. At Beeline, we believe every ride should be a great one. So, after years of development and feedback from thousands of riders, we're introducing our next-generation cycle computer, Beeline Velo 2. With easy route planning, navigation and tracking. Velo 2 gives you everything you need to have a safe and enjoyable ride every time. Velo 2 is slimmer, lighter and more waterproof and shockproof. It's easy to pop onto your handlebars, and with up to 20 hours of battery life, it'll keep up with you all day. Via your smartphone, you can easily plan, customize and save journeys, import GPX files, and choose from routes that are built for cycling. Many popular cycle route providers are failing to optimize their routes for, well, cycling. That's why in countries covered by Beeline Smart Routing, you'll receive up to 3 community-sourced routes that have been generated incorporating huge amounts of road data and feedback from other Beeliners in your area. And you can give your own feedback too. Once you're riding, you can see our stripped-back, simple navigation guidance, with your speed, distance travelled and remaining, and your ETA at the touch of a button. And when adventure is the order of the day, our much-loved Compass Mode gives you the freedom to explore with the reassurance that you're heading in the right direction. Wherever you're going, Velo 2 will log all of your journeys and stats. You can even upload your ride to Strava.
Hi, we're Tom and Mark, co-founders of Beeline.
We think that travelling by 2 wheels is the way forward. Cycling makes for healthier, happier people.
And it makes for a cleaner, healthier planet. If we can make cycling easier and more enjoyable, more people will do it, and that's a good thing for all of us.
To do our bit to get more people riding their bikes, we've made Beeline Velo 2 even easier to use and even more fairly priced. It doesn't compromise on quality, and it doesn't make a big dent in your wallet either.
We first came to Kickstarter 5 years ago with the Velo 1, and then again with the Moto. We've now guided thousands of riders through millions of miles, and we've harvested all that experience, user testing and feedback, and poured it into this new product. We're phenomenally proud and excited about what we've built, and we hope you will be too.
So no matter who you are, what bike you ride, or where your adventures take you, you'll enjoy the ride more with the Beeline Velo 2.